It is great to welcome in Lori Trimble, the Senior Marketing Manager for Novant Health, the Hilton Head Medical Center. There have been some changes over the last year and a half.
Yes.
You are actually one of the things that hasn't changed.
Yes.
You were with Hilton Head Hospital when it was with Tenet. You're now with them with Novant.
Correct.
Tell us a little bit about the changeover. What's it been like, and how might it be different for anyone who went to the old and wants to come to the new?
Sure. So Hilton Head Medical Center is actually celebrating our 50th anniversary this year, but a huge, significant change happened last February. It was 2024.
Mm-hmm.
So we're about 18 months in to becoming Novant Health. And there's a lot of exciting change. I would say aesthetically, there's a lot of improvements that are taking place within the building. But more importantly, I think we are starting to really focus on patient experience and patient-centered care as part of Novant Health. So lots of change, but all very positive.
You've had a lot of new folks come in, providers come in over the last year and a half, right?
We have very active recruitment. I think that was one of the opportunities that Novant saw as an important thing to make sure that we had the primary care physicians. So we are actively recruiting 56 new providers to add to our existing roster, and a lot of that is in the area of primary care, but also specialty care, cardiology, urology, neurology. So a lot of the service lines that really are helpful for a population like Hilton Head in the Bluffton area, and those are active. So if anyone knows anyone who would like to live in the Lowcountry and provide medical services, great opportunities.
So when you're talking providers, you're talking about people, staff. You're talking about people to work.
Physicians.
It's been physicians, yeah. How about the other staff? The town has been talking a lot the last couple of years about workforce housing, about trying to recruit people and get people here. Where are you guys staffing-wise? Are you where you want to be, or are you looking for more people there too?
We are certainly always looking for the nurse, the allied professionals, as well as RNs, LPNs. We've done some really innovative things to try to attract folks in the area. We have housing actually that is available not far from this studio for a registered nurse, someone to come in for 6 months. They live rent-free, try the area, and just get settled to figure out where they want to live. And then we're also working on some workforce housing, just so that there are ways for people to live on this island, work at the hospital, and be able to get there, for their shifts without trouble.
Oh, that's good news.
Yeah.
You're going to paint the town purple?
Yes.
What are you doing?
So, aubergine.
Aubergine. Okay,
Aubergine.
That's a shade of purple, right?
It is actually in French. It's eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay.
So it's a gorgeous deep purple, and that is Novant's signature color. So that's our brand. And you probably have seen some signage go up.
I have off the island. I have seen signage. Yes. Now you're going to have some on the island too.
So Hilton Head Medical Center is getting all new signage literally this week.
Okay.
So it's been a little bit of a journey, but we've been able to work with the Sign and Design Committee with the town of Hilton Head. They graciously approved our sign package, and so that's going in. And aubergine is a unique color. It's very deep, very it is natural in nature. If you think about purple pansies or the wonderful trees that bud purple. So we've been able to incorporate the aubergine into our signage.
And very politically correct with the red and the blue these days. The purple comes right in the middle.
That's so true. I hadn't even thought about that.
Lori, thanks so much.
Yes.
Only crazy people like me think that kind of stuff. Lori Trimble, thank you so much for joining us. Good luck to you and to Novant Healthcare here on Hilton Head Island. We'll be back with more right after this.